Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. After a 2.5-year-old girl and 30-year-old man tested positive in Odisha this morning, 6 new positive cases of COVID-19 have been found. 1 new positive case is from Bisra, Sundargarh. 5 new positive cases are from Jajpur. With this, the total number of positive cases rise to 74 in Odisha. Contact tracing and follow-up action is being done, as mentioned in a tweet by INPR Department of Odisha. Revoking the earlier decision to allow shops dealing with essential articles to open throughout the day, Ganjam collector issued a fresh notification withdrawing the relaxation. Earlier, it was decided that some particular shops would remain open throughout the day from April 20, but according to the new notification, these shops will remain open from 7 am to 12 noon. Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation has started sanitizing the restricted zones by using drones. BMC's sanitization process is already going on. During daytime, hand sprays are used manually to sanitize, while after sunset, sodium hypochlorite solution is sprayed by fire engines. Odisha DGP Abhay suspended inspector in charge of Varshana police station in Jajpur district on Monday for allegedly entering Puri's Jagannath temple along with family members on Sunday, thus violating lockdown norms. The accused cop has been identified as Deepak Jana. A Kashmiri photojournalist Masrat Zehra has been booked by Jammu and Kashmir Police under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for uploading anti-national posts on the social media. All India Muslim Majlis-e-Mushawarat, an apex body of Muslim organization, has requested the Prime Minister to issue an appeal to his supporters to stop economic boycott of Muslims to save India's image and economy after videos emerged which showed that the daily wages are not allowed because of their religion. With 1,553 new cases in 24 hours, the total tally of novel coronavirus cases stood at 17,265 on Monday, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said. The Health Ministry in morning update said that of the total cases, 14,175 are active cases with 543 casualties. Total worldwide coronavirus cases rise to 24,06,745, while the death toll rises to 1,65,257. That's all for today's bulletin. You are watching Odisha Post Live.